Welcome to iTechVista, we're your go-to solution for all things PC repair and upgrades. Is your laptop or desktop not booting, crashing frequently, or suffering from a hardware failure? Let's get it fixed. Many laptop and desktop users face frustrating issues with their machines. Don't rush to buy a new computer. Often, it can be repaired for much less. At iTechVista, we specialize in bringing broken and underperforming computers back to life. We handle both Windows-based laptops and desktops, tackling all kinds of issues. From component-level fixes to performance upgrades, we have you covered. Here are some of the common computer issues we regularly resolve. No power, computer not booting, we can diagnose and fix the problem. We replace broken screens, hard drives, graphics cards, and other components. Random shutdowns, blue screen of death, will address system instability. OS reinstallation, virus removal, software conflicts, we can fix those too. Data recovery needs, we'll attempt to retrieve your important files. We also offer upgrades to boost your PC's performance, like SSD and RAM upgrades. Here's how easy it is to get your PC repaired with iTechVista. Browse our service listings on our website. Each listing details the service and pricing. Unsure what's wrong? Choose our $18 diagnostic service for a thorough assessment. We provide a clear, detailed quote for any additional repairs or parts needed. You can drop off your device in person or mail it in from anywhere in the US. Here's why iTechVista is the best choice for your PC repair needs. Our technicians are skilled in a wide range of PC and laptop hardware and software issues. Service listings and detailed quotes mean no surprises. Our pricing is clear and upfront. We prioritize repairing and upgrading your current system, saving you money compared to buying new. We use reliable components and stand by our workmanship, quality parts, and quality service.